In this tutorial, we're diving into Prisma 3D 3.0 to create and animate a simple scene. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more 3D modeling tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, we need to create a new project. In the Choose a Model menu, select Cube, and it will appear in your scene. Enter Edit mode to adjust its size. Scale it down in height and stretch it to make a floor. Once happy with the shape, exit Edit mode. Select the cube, go to Materials. Choose any color for the floor. I'll go with a neutral gray. Next, let's add the objects we'll animate. Open Choose a Model again and select Sphere. Position it at one end of the floor. Now, duplicate the sphere to create a second one. Select one sphere, go to Materials, and make it red. Select the second sphere and make it blue. Now, let's bring these spheres to life with animation. Select the red sphere. On the right side, tap the blue plus icon. This opens the Animation menu. Tap Create, and an animation timeline will appear. Open the keyframe tool from the left toolbar, move to the timeline and make sure you're at frame 0. Then tap the keyframe button. This saves the object's current position, rotation, and scale as a keyframe. Now let's create movement. Move the timeline slider forward slightly, then drag your object to a new position. Tap Keyframe again. Repeat this process, moving the sphere forward each time until you're satisfied. Playing back the animation, tap the play button in the bottom left to preview the animation. Once you've animated your object, you might want to adjust its movement to follow a specific path. Make sure your object has animation keyframes. Tap Back. You will now see a white line with blue points, representing your object's animation path. You're not limited to a straight motion. You can bend the path and control the movement dynamically. Tap on any of the blue points along the white line. Drag the point to adjust the curve of the path. Move multiple points to create smooth turns or complex motion paths. Pro tip: if you need more control, add extra keyframes and slightly adjust positions to refine the path. If needed, tweak the blue points again until you get the desired motion. Once you're happy with the animation, you can tweak the timing, adjust the scene, and export your work. But don't forget to add camera to achieve the right rendering and angles. And that's it! You've just created and animated a scene in Prisma 3D 3.0. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next one.